Are you looking for the best camera for live streaming concerts? In this video we will look at some of the best camera for live streaming concerts on the market. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. Get the incredible video performance of Hero 11 Black in a smaller, lighter, simpler design that's ready for action. Hero 11 Black Mini's compact size makes it more At number 2. Fujifilm X-T4 Mirrorless Camera Body. Chase your creativity as far as it wants to go with Fujifilm X-T4. This powerful image-making tool offers professional photo and video functionality that can be quickly and easily accessed at the flick of a switch. X-T4 offers 5-axis in-body image stabilization, autofocus sensitivity down to -6 EV, and full HD/240p super slow-motion video recording. It also provides improved AF tracking performance and enhanced battery life compared to X-T3, along with a new mechanical shutter that is capable of making images at 15 frames per second and 300,000 actuations. High-resolution movie footage can be made at DCI 4K/60p in 10-bit color, while the addition of a newly designed optional vertical battery grip uses 2 extra batteries to provide nearly 2,000 still frames before needing to recharge. X-T4 is the ultimate camera for hybrid image makers who want the versatility to make the most of their creativity. Operating temperature -10 to +40 degrees Celsius. At number 3. Canon EOS R3 Body. Building on the success of the EOS R series of cameras and leveraging advancements in technology that have come along since, the EOS R3 combines some of the best of both the EOS R5 and EOS 1DX Mark III cameras to provide a robust, high-performance camera. The EOS R3 is the first 3 series camera since the popular EOS 3 film camera launched in 1998. At the heart of the EOS R3 is a Canon-developed 24.1 megapixel back-illuminated stack CMOS sensor which combines with the Digic-X processor to deliver a higher speed readout, allowing for continuous blackout-free shooting ** at up to 30 frames per second in electronic, silent, shutter mode with minimum rolling distortion. The combination also increases the high-sensitivity light capturing efficiency of a native ISO of 102,400 for still images. The improved dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 1053 AF points features evolved EOS ATR tracking for subjects such as people, animals, as well as select cars and motorcycles *** down to EV -7.5. The EOS R3 also allows the user multiple ways of controlling AF using iControl AF Smart Controller with home position and the classic multi-controller. The camera also includes a new multifunction hot shoe which alleviates the need for extra batteries and cables and accessories such as microphones and flash transmitters. The EOS R3 also includes flexible connectivity options with built-in wired LAN, GPS, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. The Canon EOS R3 is designed to satisfy the most demanding expectations in a camera emphasizing speed, performance, and reliability. At number 4. Panasonic LUMIX G85 4K Digital Camera. For today's interchangeable lens camera enthusiasts or anyone looking for a lighter, newer, more intelligent alternative to bulky DSLRs, the Panasonic LUMIX 4K Digital Camera DMC G85MK with 1260mm PowerOIS lens delivers impressive, no-compromise performance. This 4K mirrorless micro 4/3 camera is nearly half the size of most DSLRs yet delivers impressive 16-megapixel large sensor performance in the most compact camera system ever designed by Panasonic LUMIX. Thanks to the elimination of the low-pass filter, its fine detail resolving power is boosted nearly 10% over previous 16-megapixel sensors. Image stabilization is top of its class with the complementary LUMIX 2-axis lens OIS and a new 5-axis in-body IS, available in either photo or video recording modes. Camera purists will enjoy the familiar quick-access thumbwheel controls and integrated 2360K eye-level electronic live viewfinder, plus an articulating flip LCD display for greater flexibility in difficult shooting angles. Modern enthusiasts will love the Wi-Fi mobile control and next-generation flexibility that 4K video, 4K photo and 4K post-focus modes bring to the creative experience. Recording media, compatible with UHS-I/UHS-2 UHS Speed Class 3 standard SDHC/SDXC memory cards. At number 5. Canon VIXIA HF R800 Camcorder. Brand new in original box. Comes with all original accessories. Compact yet capable, Canon's black VIXIA HF R800 camcorder is ready to shoot in nearly any scenario. Whether you're recording home videos, events, or recitals, the 57x advanced zoom ensures you can get the shot from the back rows of an auditorium if need be, while the Super Range OIS, optical image stabilization, keeps the image steady at longer focal lengths. HD videos are recorded to separately available SD cards in the MP4 format for easy playback on most devices. MP4 files are also highly compatible with video hosting services and social media websites without format conversion.